1. Place the anti-slip pad on a flat surface and set your watch on it. 2. Clean the screen thoroughly with the wet wipes. 3. Dry the screen gently using the microfiber cloth. 4. Remove any lint or dust with the dust absorber. 5. Peel off tab 1. Align the protector with the watch screen and place it down. Press gently after placing for a secure fit. 6. Lift tab 2 slightly and use the squeegee to push from the center toward the top edge. 7. Repeat for tab 3. Lift gently and push from the center to the top with the squeegee. 8. Press the edges of the protector with your fingers to ensure full adhesion. 9. Peel off tab 4 slowly. 10. Finally, press along the edges again for a secure fit. Please note, small bubbles will self-adhere within 24 hours.